Okay, lastly, hit a point reminders button on the toolbar. Okay, so what we need to do is set up what's called a cron, or a chronological, basically a timer job, something that happens every now and then, in other words, in this case, every hour, and it runs this command and it basically refreshes a page, and that adds a kind of an hourly heartbeat. So every hour this script will run, and that is what generates the reminders. Now, in order for us to do that, we need to go to the web hosting control panel. So let's look at how we do that. Okay, to get to the web hosting control panel, that's a completely different thing from the dashboard here, right? In order to get there, we need to type in mikestuition.com:2082. And sometimes if you write cpanel there, that works as well, but 2082 is a good one. And so that's going to take us to the control panel, but first we need to put our username in. And now I'm going to log in, but I'm just going to move that dialog box out of the way so people can't see what the login is, if they should happen across this video. Right, so it's important to protect this because basically that's what controls your whole hosting account. And this is the control panel, and there's a whole bunch of tools on here. Your email accounts are here, account level filtering, there's a few things here. The Fantastico script is what we use to install WordPress in the first place. So basically this is quite literally the control panel for your entire website hosting. And what we need to do is set up a cron job. And the cron jobs are, from memory, I think they're down here. So click on that. Okay. And now, if this is correct, hopefully all we need to do is just copy and paste the command that they've given us, and hopefully that'll work. And that's what we'll try first up, but otherwise we might need to do it manually. So we'll just try this and see if it works first. Okay, and we need to send an email as well, so we'll have a look at that in just a moment. Okay, so what I've done is I've taken this command and carefully pasted it into the command box here, and then I've selected every hour. And let's see, it's still not... Okay, I've just added the common setting here, basically once an hour. And that's put default settings in all the other boxes there. So with the command in there, add new cron job, and that should work. Now the other thing to just think about, at the moment it's sending the each time this cron job runs, it's going to send an email to the Mike's TUI email address, and nobody's probably monitoring that address, and that's fine. So I'll just show you how to monitor it if you really want to. In fact, you can access all the webmail accounts through this link here. Go to webmail login, and so logged in as Mike's TUI, read mail using Squirrel Mail, and check in there. So this is going to fill up, but these emails are fairly small. On the other hand, they are happening every hour, so it's something that we need to just monitor, and we can do that by from the control panel by having a look at email accounts, and having a look at where's Mike's TUI there. So it's got 250 megabytes of available space, and that's heaps. Okay, so that's don't forget to log out here. And so that's done as well. So that's all of that done. And the website's looking good now. Let's go back to visit the site. Now that I've taken that extra login register link from here, the menu system is working fine. Okay, great.